channel Alice Education. So look, I am back in my garden after a lot of days. I am making a video on my garden after a lot of days. I really love my garden, this beautiful, lovely and greeny garden. It's really beautiful, friends. And today I am here to show you something really special and to make your knowledge some more. So let's start. Look, what is this? Well, you will say that this is the biggest plant. Yes, you are also right. And look what interesting fact here. This pot is too narrow and too small. The plant is also small, not that much long or bushy, but look at the flower. It's amazing. It's big, it's beautiful, it's colorful and it's lovely. And look at the buds. Oh, how cute they are. This one is the smallest bud here and this one is the middle. This largest flower. So, let's start our today's topic. That is introduction, or you can say a brief description about the flower plants and the trees parts. I will give a revision for sure. I will try to give a revision if there is enough time. So let's start. So let's start from here. Under this is the root. I said you in a previous video. This all are described in the previous video except the plant parts, the flower parts. So do see the video to give a recap of these things or you will forget. So here starts the root. Here the stems and here the leaves. So look friends at the leaves, okay? I said you that these are the veins. This gives the plant the water. And what about this? These are the stomatas that lower, we can say that invisible. So the stomata, the leaves, the veins, the branches and the roots. Complete. Now the buds and the flower. So after this you all know. So let's start about the brief discussion about this flower. So I hope that you can see this. Pink soft. So these are called the petals, not the entire flower, okay? You will think that these are the petals. This is also petals. No. Only these parts are the petals. Actually this plant have enough petals, no, that's why you can't focus. But see, these are the petals. This thin, soft and pink. But maybe of any color, colorful. Now look at this green part which is holding the plant. This is also like a small flower. Look the shape, I like this. So this shape is called the sepals. Petals, sepals. Hope you know this. Next, the small green stem, that is the main root. The stem, then the petal, then the sepal. Now comes the part and the time of this to be introduced. Wow, so pretty. Well, so look. These are the pollen grains. This yellow, tiny. These are the pollen grains, And these, the anther, look. The anthers. Okay, and this is the pollen grains. I hope that there is a movie that bee. So in that movie you have seen that there is a scene that when the bees came sucking the nectar of the plant, that time they had their body full of this pollen grains, yellow. So now this part, filament. What we will call this? Filament. So again a division of this. Filament, this hard stem. And this is the stigma, the structure, the full structure. So filament, stigma, anther, pollen grains, and the petals and the sepals. Now let me tell you the reproduction. So when these pollen grains are transferred from this plant to any other plant like, suppose this hibiscus plant, I am throwing it. So this transpiration between the pollen grains, this is known as the reproduction. So when it is transferred, the reproduction happens. Obviously from the male flower plant to the female flower plant. So look at this. There's some more, different color. Obviously this pink and these are different colors, but this is also hibiscus plant. And look at these small buds. How many buds are there? Can you imagine? This all will bloom. Oh, this is already bloomed and torn also. Oh yeah, thanks God I got this. So look, I can give you one more. So as I was saying, you can't focus right due to some problem. Look, this is the ovary under the under the sepal. This is disturbing a lot. This round one is the ovary. And this is the sepal, this is the stem, I said you. So now, let me tell you the life stages. Look at the small bud. So when this bud blooms, it becomes so small. But after some days like this, some days again afterwards, it will be some small. I don't have a, yeah, got it here. Some larger than that one. Right, maybe it of different color, but the size is actually perfect rather than describing this. So here and finally it. Look here friends. The flower will finally, and the bud will finally turn to the flower, beautiful flower. And one day this beautiful flower will again turn to a dead flower. I think I don't have any dead flower here. Or do I have? No, I don't have any dead flower. So it doesn't matter. I will give you the image. So look this. So this was all about the the structure of the plant, some facts about the plant. I gave you a tip of my garden. So I would like to give you one more tip. So please, this is my garden. Look at it. Oh, look at it. I didn't notice it. Hello, mister. What are you here for? Oh, you are here for visiting my garden, right? That's really great. So look, my garden is so much beautiful that some outside visitors are coming. Oh, look at this Mr. Turtle. Here is Mr. Turtle also. Oh, yeah, I got here Mr. Turtle. So look, he is also here for visiting my garden. I really like this, that everyone is coming to visit my garden. It's really amazing, friends. So hope you like this video, and if you already know this, then you understood something new or given a recap. And please do watch the videos again which you have already seen, or if you have not seen, then please give a recap of the stem, the root, the leaves. Everything is explained in details in that video. I just give a recap here, it's a small brief. So bye everyone, thank you, bye.